In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product image on Podia. Adding a clear, professional image helps your product stand out and gives customers the confidence to click through and buy. So let's walk through the exact steps together. Start in your Podia dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Products option in the sidebar and click it. This takes you to a list of all your products. Find the product you want to add or change an image for, and click Edit. If you manage multiple products, a quick tip is to scan by title or use any filters available to get to the right one faster. Inside the product editor, switch over to the Details tab. This is where you'll see the key fields that control how your product appears, including the title, description, and the image. Think of this image as your product's cover. It's often the first impression a customer gets when browsing your storefront or landing on your product page. Now, in the Image field, click to upload a file from your computer, or choose a previously uploaded image from your media library if you've already added it to Podia before. Podia recommends using a 900 by 630 pixel image for the best results. That size helps the image look crisp across devices without being unnecessarily large. Supported formats typically include JPG and PNG, so pick the one that suits your design. As a quick guideline, JPG is great for photos, and PNG is ideal for graphics or images with transparency. Before you confirm the upload, take a moment to check the framing of your image. Make sure your product is centered, text is legible if you've included any, and there's enough contrast so it looks good on both light and dark backgrounds. Keeping the file size reasonable will also help your pages load faster, which creates a better experience for your visitors. Once your image is uploaded or selected from the media library, remember to save your work. Click Save or Update in the product editor so the new image is applied. If you navigate away without saving, the change won't go live. After saving, you can preview your product page to confirm everything looks the way you want. If you ever want to swap the image later, just repeat these steps and save again. And that's it. You've successfully added a product image on Podia, helping your offer look polished and ready for customers.